Morning, guys. First exercise, tree hugs for chest gains.
They took the Deer King. That's my cardio, buddy. We're getting him back.
Training with the OGs. Nature's got gains too.
This is where I trained before the world knew me. Time to activate Beast Mode 2.0.
Operation Flex is a go. Squirrel Squad, move out! Was that a drone or a giant bird with attitude?
Yo, fam, today's workout's gonna be epic. Chest, arms, and maybe outrunning danger. Let's go! Bro, forest floor crunches are hardcore. You get abs and a free exfoliation. Weighted lunges with turbo here. Slow and steady wins the gains, fam.
Core workout with spike motivation. One wrong move and I'm getting acupuncture for free.
Forest cardio squad goals. These buns are fast, but Big B got strides. Bro, this fox is giving me side eye like I skipped leg day or something. Squats with my dearest workout partner. Don't worry, she's spotting me too. Trying to hold my plank while Woody here is doing his chest day. Focus game strong, fam. Weighted push-ups, forest style. This little dude thinks he's my personal trainer. Bicep curls with my gym bros, Ricky and Rocky today. They squeak for every rep, ultimate motivation. Core workout, forest edition. One wrong move, and I'm swimming with frogs. Forest sprints, bro. If you trip on a route, just call it plyometrics. Cold water curls for ultimate vascularity. My arms look like river maps now. For a squat PR today. This log weighs like at least 3 raccoons.
Bro, forest cardio hits harder when a bear starts chasing you. Gains in survival, fam.
Bro, forest lunges hit different. Watch your ankles though, I nearly met a squirrel up close. Pull-ups on nature's bar. If it breaks, well, it wasn't strong enough for Big B.